2 of the bottle. So I've just deleted that shell. If you're unsure how I did that, I'll just show you again. So I clicked on shell, I put in my shell on that surface at 3. And we spoke about the idea that we're going to put some text onto this bottle, we're going to engrave into it as you like. And it would work really better if we don't have the shell. So I'll just go to shell and right click and press delete. So it's gone now. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move this around, I'm going to get it into the right orientation, so isometric. And we're probably going to end up drawing our text on this surface. So we're going to draw it on the right surface. So I'm going to go to Extrude, I'm going to click that right surface, which you'll notice is in the middle of our page. I'm going to go to text. And I'm going to draw my line on there, and I can enter this. So I can write in what I want to do, so sports, active. And you can see how it comes up. Now you can move things down. So I'll just drag these, I can make it slightly slanted, so I'll go for slightly slanted, we'll do some spacing. So I can get it to how I want it. And I can go back and change these things if I want to. So we're gonna leave it like that for the moment. And you'll notice my dimensions just come up there. So we can make it 20. I can make that one 10, so it's 10 above the line, 10 below the line. And I'll just round it up to 60. So I've got my sports active. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press extrude. Press OK. And you can see now it's extruded it all the way out. So we've got sports active. So it's created that sports active hole, if you like, inside of it. Okay. Now, if I shell that now, we'll end up with a hole through it, which is no good for the water coming out. So what we've got to do is we've got to do another revolve. Exactly the same as what we did before. Click on revolve. I'll click on the right plane just so it gives me a bit more, so I can see what I'm doing this time. I'll put my centre line in first. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to project this curve, but I'm going to offset it. So if I go to offset and click on that curve, so the arrow is pointing towards my screen, so it's going to go above. So if I put in a minus, I'm putting 1, I'm now going to get a line which is 1 millimetre down. And all I can do is go down to the centre, right the way around, and join that up. And it should now shade in pink when I press this select key. So if I press OK now, we're going to add material inside, and it's now put on sports active. So if I go back to do that shell like I was doing before, that's when my computer's decided to slow down. Please don't crash. There we go, it took a few minutes there, sorry about that. And hopefully it will let me press OK. Now, so we've now got our sports active bottle, so if I put that into isometric, we can see the sports active on the side of it. We could add other text if we wanted to. I'm just going to show you a bit about the rendering now. So if I go to Render Studio, it's always good to render your part before we make the next part. So I'm going to go to Appearances. I'm going to find Glass, doesn't matter. Just go for gemstone. I think the first one there is clear. So we get that onto there. Now, I'll be turning off real-time render in a second, because what I've got in here is see, I can see that Sports Active. So if I go to Appearances and change it now to Frosted, make sure I get a frosted glass, click on that part of it and press OK. Hopefully when I turn on real-time rendering now, we start to see that Sports Active coming into our design. So I'll leave it there for the moment, finish this video off, and we'll go on to making the cap to go on the top next, and then rendering the whole thing up to see what it looks like. So thanks for watching. Sorry about that little bit of trouble with the shell, but I hope you enjoy our videos, and please subscribe and comment. Thanks very much.